be talking more about the severe weather outbreak that's going to be happening today through Friday. But before we could get into this video, I would ask you that you do subscribe if you are new to the channel, and make sure to share this video with any friends or family that might be in the path of this severe weather or might like daily weather forecasts. But anyways, let's get right into this video. So right now we are looking at the actual Storm Prediction Center outlook. Now they have issued an enhanced risk of severe weather which is within the orange color there. This is where the most significant severe weather is going to be happening today. Main threats are going to be very large hail and damaging winds, but a couple tornadoes cannot be ruled out. Also, that slight risk of severe weather, which is in two spots. You got one right here, which is a good, decent risk for severe weather. Also, another one, which is in parts of Nebraska and Iowa, even extreme northern Kansas there. So pretty much two spots we got a pretty big chance for some severe weather throughout today. This is the main area of focus for today, but definitely you could see a possibility of severe weather within that other yellow outline there. You also got your marginal risk of severe weather, which is in the dark green color. You also do have an isolated severe thunderstorm risk, but not anything too bad is expected within that dark green risk. Also, your general thunderstorm risk, which is in the light green color. You do have a chance for some general thunderstorm development, but not anything too severe is possible within there. Alright, so here's the tornado outlook, and now there's only a 2% risk of tornadoes. So like I said, there was a 5% risk of tornadoes earlier, but now there's only a 2% risk of tornadoes. That's in the green risk area. That's in the green outlined area. A very low risk for tornadoes now. So like I said, the main threats are hail and wind, but one or two tornadoes cannot be ruled out within these storms. Look at the hail risk, and they actually upgraded to a 30% chance within a red colored area. Also, the main area is the red outline and the kind of the hatched area there. That's you're expecting 2+ inch sized hail within these storms within that area. Also, the 15% chance which is about golf ball sized hail within the yellow area, and up to quarter sized hail within the green shaded area there. Lastly, the wind risk, and there is a 30% chance of some severe wind up to 80 miles per hour gusts within some storms within a red shaded area, up to 60 mile per hour gusts within the yellow shaded area, and up to 40 mile per hour gusts within the green shaded area there. Also up to 40 mile per hour gusts within this other green shaded area as well. Now we can go ahead and look at the future simulated the simulated radar for what's going to happen here with this severe weather outbreak. Alright, so now we're looking at this simulated future radar. This is around the afternoon hours of today. You do have some isolated severe thunderstorms moving throughout this morning throughout Kansas and Missouri. That should be weakening very soon, as that when those cells start to develop in that Panhandle, Texas, kind of that type of area. You got a couple cells that's already starting to fire up around 2 or 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You get into around 3 or 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, and you're starting to see these storms really start to fire up. Really strong storm over here, kind of south of Amarillo, and that'll move eastward as this line really just starts to develop along the kind of the near the Oklahoma and Texas border, reaching all the way down here to almost the Mexico and Texas border there. So a decent long line here of storms. This is the main kind of line of cluster of storms here that's going to be moving eastward. Looks like this part of the storm is going to be the strongest. You're getting into around the late evening hours into the overnight hours, and you're getting around 9 p.m. of today, and kind of weakened a little bit. Still some very strong storms moving throughout Texas and Oklahoma. Some very strong storms developing on the backside of this around the 10 p.m. time frame, and then still very strong storms moving throughout around 1 a.m. Very strong storms still moving throughout Texas, and you're getting into 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m. A little now. This has very just storms have disappeared a lot here, but still a little bit of storms is still holding on there for the southern part of Texas, and that'll be weakening very fast around the kind of the early morning hour time frame. If you did enjoy this video, I would ask you to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in watching daily weather forecasts, and make sure to share this video with any friends or family that might also like daily weather forecasts. But anyways, stay safe.